Good day, I am Gian Matthew B. Rojas, and in this presentation, I will share my own experience in management and how I utilize the four functions of management in accomplishing a biology project. These are the four important functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. As we can see, planning and organizing are in the same box because they are somehow connected, but more on that later. About leading and controlling, we will also discuss that separately. For the first function, planning stage. This is the time which includes the start of figuring out how to properly execute the project. In my experience, this is about gathering the group, studying the background of the topic, and knowing the strengths of each member. Planning and organizing. This is not an official function, but this is how they are somehow connected. This is the point wherein we are still planning but also going through the process of organizing the project. This is when we experiment roles and calculate each parts because this is mostly about experimenting and not totally committing to organized parts of the project. For the organizing stage, this is the part when we are finally done with planning and everything is calculated and we have achieved the structured flow that we want for the project. In my experience, this is about talking of each part and roles, the flow of the presentation, and how we want the project to pan out. Third
So,
is
in my
the leading
experience, the
stage,
leading stage
and
is
because
about
I
a
am a
role
leader in this
that will
biology
lead the group
project, in my
and its
experience,
members to
a
their
leader will
desired
lead a
outcome.
group and its members to their
It is
desired
mostly
goal.
about
It is
updating the
mostly
group,
about
asking
updating
for
the group,
progress,
asking for
setting the time
progress,
and tasks
setting
in
the
the
time
meeting,
and tasks
and
in meeting, and
overviewing the whole
overviewing the whole
task
task
and
each members of the group.
third is the leading. So,
Last
in
is
my
the controlling
experience,
stage.
controlling
This
stage
happens when
happens
everyone
when
in the group and everything
everyone
in
is
the project
getting
is being
evaluated and
evaluated.
feedbacks are
This is when
coming
the
from
feedbacks are
everyone,
given.
and
This
it
is
is mostly
about
about
implementing
implementing necessary
guiding and
changes,
asking everyone in
guides
every
and
stage,
asks
and
everyone
making
in
sure
every
that the project
stage
will be
and
done
making sure
properly and
that the
on time.
project will be done properly and on time.
Last is the controlling. So this is how the project or the presentation went. The main project was a success and the group accomplished their goal because we followed the four functions of management. Everyone did their part, presentation went smoothly, and the teacher commended the members for a job well done. In conclusion, using the four functions of management can really lead us to success. It is a good method that gives us the right steps in achieving our goal. It is important that we follow these four functions because it is a step by step guide. We all know that for us to achieve something good, it will always start with a good plan.